And we are in front of a pretty interesting Columbus 600E from Westfalia with a total price of 94,738 euros. But it's actually pretty great designed with big 100-liter Dometic fridge and an upholstery made of leather, Fiat Ducato chassis, and pretty much comfy seats. I will try the seats right now. Understand? Well, not bad at all. Yep. 4 people nicely traveling around. And then we have this big skylight up there with a lot of amount of storage. And yes, of course, we have the Westfalia pop-up roof, wide, spacious, another room right up there. And then from this side we have the Dometic 2-burner stove with sink, and on this side, well, pretty big storage space all around. Not bad at all. Then great design toilet, ready to take a shower, probably with some additional space right up behind that. And on the back we have a pretty almost longitudinal bed, and I will measure the size going all the way from, we have 1.875, and on the widest part we have approximately 1.9. No, the longest one, but well, actually pretty great with this trolley system, so it will be pretty comfortable. And now going on the back, having a pretty big storage where you can also lift this part here, so you can load up probably 1 or 2 bicycles. Is almost 1.9, so in 27-incher without problems, or a couple of bikes if you take out the wheels. Not bad at all with this Westfalia Columbus 600E.